Good night, gentlemen.
You could at
That was
least
a good night.
revive me.
No. Here we go. One smack. Two smack. You learn a lesson? Call me daddy. Backhand of justice. I'm gonna spank you like I'm spanking my monkey when I don't watch. Gotta take this behind there. You wanna try?
No, I'm gonna circumcise him.
Oh my god.
Oh no! Bye.
Oh shit!
You fucking
I didn't know that could happen.
Oh, great. Someone shoot me down, please. I'm going for a fucking ride. Damn, I'm really up there.
Put my friend down. Oh yeah, I can drag him off.